Today's dish is Korean bibimbap. Ingredients: 1 cup of rice, 1 carrot, julienne, 1 zucchini, julienne, 1 cup of bean sprouts, 1/2 cup of spinach, 1/2 pound of ground beef, 2 cloves of garlic, minced, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of sugar, gochujang Korean chili paste to taste. Instructions: sauté the carrot and zucchini in a pan with vegetable oil until tender. Blanch the bean sprouts and spinach in boiling water for about 30 seconds, then drain and squeeze out any excess water. Brown the ground beef with garlic in a pan. Add soy sauce, sugar, and sesame oil and stir to combine. Fry the eggs sunny side up in a separate pan. To assemble the bibimbap, place a serving of rice in a bowl, then arrange the vegetables and beef on top. Add the fried egg and a spoonful of gochujang. Mix everything together before eating. That's it. Enjoy your delicious bibimbap.